Good morning to our lecturer, Ms. Hall, and my fellow friends. Before we begin our presentation today, does anyone knows about any endangered aquatic animals? No matter what your answer may be, our topic today is closely related to these questions, which is aquatic animals are one of the endangered categories, or are one of the categories of endangered animals in the world. First of all, the definition of endangered animals are organisms that are at risk of being extinct. The next question that you may ask me is, what are endangered aquatic species? They are actually organisms that live wholly or mostly in or on the water, and they may be birds, mammals, fish, reptiles, invertebrates, or even plants that depend on aquatic environments for food, shelter, protection from predator and other requirements of life. Today, my partner and I are going to focus on two animals that have been researched by many marine scientists. The animals that we are going to talk about today are hammerhead sharks and dugongs. My first main point in today's presentation is hammerhead sharks are endangered aquatic species. For your information, the scientific name of hammerhead shark is Spinamocharon. And my first supporting point is the reason for the decreasing population of hammerhead sharks. This is because they are caught typically due to their distinctive head shapes. Consequently, the shape of their head, which is like a hammer, attracts humans to hunt them down for collection. Besides that, they are also favorite target species due to the size of their fins. And this is because fin prices are rising, driven by the Asian fin market. In addition, the second supporting point that I'm going to talk about is the conservation actions of hammerhead sharks. One of the actions is the adoption of shark finning bans by fishing states such as regional entities and regional fisheries organizations. As far as we know, this action is accelerating and it should increasingly prevent the harvesting of hammerhead sharks for their fins alone. Furthermore, in South Africa, there is a shark bycatch limit in the tuna longline fishery at 10% of the weight of tuna landed, and a recreational line fishery bag limit of 1 shark per angler per day. As a result, lesser hammerhead sharks are caught, and this helps to improve the current situation. Next, I'll pass the following part to Jiajin. Thank you.
So after listening to the hammerhead shark presented by James, so now I'm going to share with you guys on another kind of marine life which also faces as one of the endangered marine life in the world, which is dugong. So the first supporting idea I'll be focusing on will be why the number of dugong are decreasing. The first reasons why the number of dugong is decreasing is due to the habitat loss and the degradation of their habitats. Seagrass ecosystem, which the main habitat for dugong, is under degradation and are very sensitive to human activities. They can be destroyed by mining, trawling, or even to the effects of disturbance such as coastal clearing, land reclamations, or even the oil residue spills from the ships. So next, the reason why the dugong number is growing is also due to the indigenous use and hunting for this level. So dugong usually caught for their meats, for food, their oil, for massage purpose, and even uses as a fuel in generating energy. Besides, humans also use dugongs for medicational purposes, as well as making evidence. So the second supporting idea I'll be focusing on the conservation methods. So the first thing that we can do in conserving this species actually by having a sustainable management. The sea-cast ecosystem or the habitats of Dugong can be prevented from further loss by field environmental impact assessments such as land dealing activities, coastal development. Local community should work along with fishermen and also coastal people. And also coastal people because this person is the one who knows well the occurrence of this species. So another point in conservation methods, I'll be focusing on the educations. Conservation education programs should be developed in the country where Dugong are mostly located in order to raise public awareness in concerning the plight of the Dugong. Besides that, training of marine specialists in higher veterinary studies should be encouraged. In higher education, such as universities. And also, more funds should be allocated to these research centers in order to bring this step more efficiently. So in conclusions, the two marine species which under tragedies such as camel and sharks and Dugong are mainly due to the self-destruct activity done by humans. Therefore, different approaches of conservation initiatives should be reinforced in order to make sure that this species prevented from further loss, and at the same time, we furnish them a new, well and sustainable environment in the coming future. I think that's all from both of us. Thank you.